Right. So we're going to be looking at simultaneous equations, right? So I actually haven't touched this concept in a while, but let's give it a go. Simultaneous. So I'm taking one of the more advanced versions of simultaneous, so not the beginner one, not the highest level. So here, right, we have two terms, two algebraic terms. So let's take this is term one and this is term two. Okay, we need two terms, and then we're going to be using the elimination method. So there are three types of method that you can use. So, but my favorite is elimination, so I'll be teaching you the elimination technique. So all you have to do in the elimination is make one of the variables the same. So here we get to choose if you want to make the x variable same or the y variable same. It really doesn't matter. They're both the same amount of steps. So let's suppose we want to make the x variable same. That means we would need to multiply this entire, we need to find a common denominator, right? That would end up being 21, right? 7 times 3. Then, with us knowing that it's 21, we can go on and confidently say that what multiplies to 21? What multiplies with 7 to get 21? That's 3. What multiplies with 3 to get, that's 7. So with this information, we can go create a new equations. So the new equations should be, what is it? 7 times 3 is 21. 21x plus 3 into 3 is 9y is equal to 33 into 3 is just 99. And then our second term is 21x plus 7 into 5 is 35y. That's equal to 29 into 7, that is some big number of 203. Right. We now have these two new terms. And what we usually do with elimination is we subtract one term from the other. So from is the normal terms, right? So we want to find the bigger term. So here we can clearly see that this is the bigger term, right? So you want to subtract this from this. Okay. So when we do that, how do we do that? We just multiply this whole thing by -1. So when we do that, the signs change. So it's negative 21x minus 9y minus 99. So carrying that out, 203 minus 99 is 104. That's equal to 35y minus 9y. So 35 minus 9. That's 26. And finally, 21 minus 21. That's just 0. So 0 plus 29y is equal to 104. So 26y. So 26y is equal to 104. Then y is equal to 104 over 26. Let's see if this actually gives any numbers. Sorry, I entered it in wrong. Yep, that gives us y is equal to 4. Right. So with this information of us knowing that y is indeed equal to 4, we can go on and find x. So we can choose any of these terms. I think this term is easier for us to use. So let's write 3x plus 5y is equal to 29. We know what the y value is. So because we know what the y value is, we can sub the y value in here. So 5 into 4 is 20. So 3x plus 20 is equal to 29. So you can take this plus 20 to the other side, so it's minus 20 now. So 3x is equal to 29 minus 20, that's equal to 9. So 3x is equal to 9. So then x is equal to 9 over 3. 9 over 3, x is equal to 3. So with this, we are able to understand that y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 3. Right. So just because we have the time, we can go ahead and check if that's right. So let's take the same equation. What? That, yeah, 3x plus 5y. 3x plus 5y is equal to 29. Right, let's take the same thing. What's x. X is equal to 3. So 3, 3 plus 5, y is 4 is equal to 29. Is that 3? 3 into 3 is 9 plus 20, 29. 20 plus 9, 29 is indeed equal to 29. Hence, we know the values that we got are right. So that is how we do simultaneous equation using the elimination method. Thank you for watching.